Good evening, dear one. Tonight, we will explore a simple yet powerful method that can help you manifest your desires as you drift into sleep. Now, I want you to think about something that you deeply desire. It could be something material, an experience, or a feeling you wish to have. It doesn't matter what it is, what matters is that you can vividly imagine it, feel it, and claim it as your own. Before we get deeper, let's take a moment to acknowledge the power of your imagination. This is not a mere fancy. Imagination is the key that unlocks the door to your future. You see, you have within you the ability to create anything that you desire. The thoughts you hold, the feelings you nurture, and the mental images you entertain shape your reality. This is the truth that I want you to understand deeply, because once you realize the power of your imagination, everything changes. You are always creating, whether you are consciously aware of it or not. Your imagination is constantly at work, shaping your experiences and outcomes. But when you learn to consciously use it, you begin to consciously shape your world. Now, as you lie in bed, preparing for sleep, I want you to focus on a simple exercise. It is the practice of assuming the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. This is the essence of the law of assumption, the principle that whatever you assume to be true will manifest in your life. Let's say your wish is something like a new job, a loving relationship, or financial abundance. Close your eyes and imagine the circumstances of your wish as though they are already here. See it, feel it, taste it. The key is to immerse yourself completely in the experience of having your desire fulfilled right now. In that moment, let go of any doubt, any belief that it is not already yours. You are not waiting for something to happen, you are living as if it has already happened. You are not hoping for the future, you are claiming the present. You are now the person who has what you desire. Feel the gratitude that comes with it. Feel the joy. Feel the peace. Let that sensation flood your being. You may wonder, how can this work? How can I feel as though it is already done when I don't see the physical evidence of it yet? This is where your faith comes into play. You must have the faith to believe that the feeling of the wish fulfilled is the evidence. The feeling is your signal to the universe, to your subconscious, that it is already a reality. As you lie there, in that quiet space just before sleep, you are in an optimal state to reprogram your mind. Your subconscious is most active and receptive during this time, and what you impress upon it before sleep will be accepted without resistance. This is why the state of relaxation and ease is so important. When you are relaxed, there is less resistance, less mental chatter, and more openness to new ideas. Now, think about your desire again. I want you to experience it as vividly as possible in your mind's eye. You may see a picture of it, you may hear the sounds that accompany it, or you may even feel the emotions that come with it. Your senses are all involved in this moment. This is how you bring it to life. This is how you make it real. As you breathe deeply and slowly, let the feeling of fulfillment wash over you. Let it fill you completely. Imagine that everything you ever wanted is already yours. The feelings of joy, satisfaction, and gratitude are real and present. You are no longer wishing for it, you are living it. Feel the shift that takes place within you as you realize that what you desire is not separate from you. It is already part of you. It has always been part of you. This is the magic of the wish fulfilled. The wish is not something to be attained in the future. The wish is a present reality that exists within you right now. It is a state of being, not a state of wanting. Once you assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you will notice that the world around you begins to shift to match that inner state. Things will begin to fall into place, as if by magic. Opportunities will appear, circumstances will change, and people will show up who are in alignment with the version of you who already has what you desire. So, as you lie there, drifting closer to sleep, continue to dwell in the feeling of fulfillment. Let it be the last thought you hold before sleep fully takes over. This feeling of having your wish fulfilled will seep into your subconscious, where it will begin to take root and grow. And when you wake up in the morning, you will feel different, more aligned, more confident, and more certain that your desires are on their way. Now, I want you to understand this deeply: your imagination is the most powerful tool you have. It is not just a daydream or a fleeting thought. It is the blueprint for your reality. The more you practice this technique, the more natural it will become. Your ability to enter the state of the wish fulfilled will grow stronger, and the results will become more apparent. As you continue to practice this meditation, remember that the key is to truly embody the feeling of your desire fulfilled. The longer you can remain in this feeling, the faster it will manifest in your outer world. The process may seem subtle at first, but trust me when I say that this is how everything is created. Nothing happens by accident. Everything is the result of the thoughts and feelings we choose to entertain. So, before you drift off to sleep tonight, note this: you are a creator. Your mind is the canvas, and your imagination is the brush. Whatever you imagine is already on its way to you, and it will come to you effortlessly when you align with the feeling of having it now. I encourage you to keep practicing this each night. With time, you will see how powerful this practice is. It is not about forcing or striving for your desires. It is about allowing, about knowing deep within that everything you want is already yours. All you need to do is feel it. All you need to do is assume it. Over time, as you repeat this process every night, the desires you wish to manifest will begin to integrate into your daily reality. The feeling of fulfillment will start to influence your thoughts, actions, and decisions during your waking hours. You may find yourself naturally moving toward the opportunities, people, and experiences that align with your desires. This isn't magic in the sense of a quick fix, but it is a process that aligns with the laws of the universe. As your inner world shifts, so too will the outer world reflect those changes. The more you give attention to your desires in a state of fulfillment, the more they will begin to materialize in your experience. The key to success with this practice is patience and faith. When you trust in the process and fully think about the feeling of having your desire fulfilled, you are putting the law of assumption to work. You're not simply wishing for something in the future, you are living in the reality where that thing already exists. Your imagination, working with your emotions, creates the reality you live in. The more vivid and powerful the emotions attached to your visualization, the more quickly your desires will begin to materialize. Don't underestimate the power of the emotions you feel. When you feel the joy, peace, and satisfaction of having your desire fulfilled right now, your subconscious mind will accept this as truth. The more deeply you experience this fulfillment in the present moment, the more tangible your desired reality will feel. It's not just about imagining the future, it's about fully stepping into it and making it part of your current experience. As you let go of any doubts or fears, you begin to realize that your desires are already on their way to you. You are already living the life you've imagined. Now, let's bring this practice to a close and open the door for your desires to manifest in the most harmonious way. Relax, breathe deeply, and drift into a peaceful sleep, knowing that everything you have imagined is becoming your reality. Your mind, in this relaxed state, is the most powerful tool you have for creating the world around you. Now, as you lie peacefully in your bed, know that the law of assumption is working for you. Every night, as you go through this process, you are becoming more aligned with the version of yourself who already has what you desire. This practice is not just a temporary fix, it is a permanent shift in the way you experience life. You are creating your world from the inside out, and as you continue to master this technique, your reality will begin to reflect the abundant life you've always dreamed of. The power is in your hands, and the more you practice, the more effortless it becomes. Every time you lay down to sleep, use that moment to consciously plant the seeds of your desires. By living as if your wish is already fulfilled, you are inviting it into your life with open arms. Trust the process, and have faith that what you desire is already on its way. The more you practice this before sleep, the more natural it will feel, and the faster your desires will begin to materialize. You are the creator of your reality, and the thoughts you entertain are the building blocks of your life. If you have enjoyed this content and found it helpful, I invite you to like this video. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable insights. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be the first to experience more content that will empower you to create the life you desire. Sharing this video with others who may benefit is also a wonderful way to spread knowledge and help more people discover the power of their imagination. And if you haven't yet, please take a moment to click the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos are posted. This is a simple action that ensures you stay aligned with your desires and continue growing on your path. Your thoughts have the power to change your reality. By subscribing, you are making a commitment to yourself and your dreams. Let's continue this journey together, supporting one another along the way. I'm so glad you've taken the time to be here today. Your support means everything, and I'm excited to continue sharing this powerful knowledge with you. Now, as you prepare for sleep, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Let go of any tension or resistance, and allow the peaceful feeling of your wish fulfilled to surround you. Feel it in every cell of your body, in every thought you think, and in every breath you take. The universe is ready to bring your desires to you. All you need to do is receive them. Sweet dreams, dear one. Your desires are already on their way.